Short press the power button, the indicator light will remain on. Ensure that the protective cover is fully closed. Open the phone settings, WLAN, find Wainlix_K10, enter the default password 12345678, and connect. Open the software, click Connect, enter the default IP address, 192.168.0.1, and click Connect. Click Start your creation, click Gallery, to load an image, click Confirm. You can shrink and move the pattern, click Image Processing. To adjust the image mode, grayscale or line draft, adjust completed, click Confirm. Click on Parameter, to set the corresponding carving parameters based on the material. Click on the blank space to exit the parameter editing window. Slide the bottom menu to select, move, choose 10 mm. And move the laser to the center of the object. Manual focusing, the focusing needle touches the surface of the object, focusing completed. Positioning method 1, move the object with your finger, click Preview. The rectangular box will be the carving position. Positioning method 2, fine-tune parameters and move the pattern upwards. After confirming the location, click Engraving.